Okay, so we're going to do a quick video here on the another video on the Tarsacci Salinity balance and how to set it to eliminate small foil and still get small gold. I'm going to try to show you exactly how it works and also how it doesn't work. First, let me show you what I got here. I've got my foil sample here, and I have a second foil sample. This one is much like the foil you see in the park. It's balled up and smashed. This is the type of foil that you cannot eliminate with the salinity balance. Now here's another type you can't eliminate either. This is just your regular gum wrapper. Okay, now I have 7 gold targets here, small gold, 18 karat earring, it's about 2 grams, 10 karat small ring, a 10 karat very small ring. In fact, let me put one of the other rings up to it. That's how small it is. Okay, I don't know what it's for. I found it last year in the water, and I think someone probably wore it around their neck on a chain. Over here got another 10 karat gold ring. This one is a toe ring, and this one is also quite small. Over here got a 10 karat ring, 18 karat, and this one I just found a couple days ago in the water. It's quite small. It's a kid's 10 karat gold ring, and I think I showed that one already. That's 10 karat. So all of these range in the 3 to 5 range on the Tarsacci VDI. Okay, and the foil also in the same range as well, and I'll demonstrate that to you right now. First of all, I am going to take the salinity all the way down, not quite all the way down, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do a well, it's already ground balanced, so I'll just leave it where it is. And as you can see, my settings, I got the black sand on, salinity's at 22 so far, tracking's off, 18 kilohertz, and the threshold's at -2, and the disc's at 2 is -2 as well. Sensitivity's at 4. Sensitivity's low, obviously, because I'm working right next to my house in my backyard, lots of power lines. All right, first of all, let me take the salinity level I want to cancel salinity level. I want you to hear exactly what the targets sound like before I turn the salinity level on. Let me turn the volume down. It's awfully loud. I've got an external speaker because the speaker on my Tarsacci isn't very loud. So here's what it sounds like. And you can see it's 3 to 4. All those little foils down there. And then you have the balled up foil right here. And it's mostly on 4. Then you have the gum wrapper. And that hits really hard. Okay, now we're going to go through all the gold. The 18 karat earring. You can see it's 5. Then you have the incredibly small ring right there, 4 to 5. Then you have the toe ring. Then you have the 10 karat thin band. In case you didn't see the screen on that toe ring, that is 4 to 5. Now the 18 karat gold diamond ring. It's on 4. And you got the small kid's 10 karat gold ring. And then you have that one, the last target is another 10 karat small kid's ring. It's mostly on 5. I'd like to note that I found those last 2 rings in my last 2 videos, and both of those were at least 6 inches deep, and the Tarsacci just slams them. Love the gold. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to invoke the Salinity now, and we'll start it off at 22. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate that foil. I'm going to disc it out. But I have to activate the all metal mode first in the Salinity. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to raise the arrows. Until it starts breaking up. Let me see, I'm at 31. Let me see, I'm at 35. We'll stop there and put it back into disc. Okay, I think I can do better than that. Put it back into the all metal Salinity. You can barely hear it. Okay, we'll stop right there. Put it back in disc. So the Salinity's at 34. And as you can see, the foil is pretty broken up. Can't even really hear it, and it's all negative numbers. Now you go over to the other foil that you really can't cancel out with Salinity. I'll just show you. You can still hear it. That's not going anywhere because it's just too thick, and because it's just plain physics. You can't cancel it out. So now we go to the gold. First, the 18 karat gold ring or gold earring. And I'd like to note I'm about 5 inches over that 18 karat gold earring. Now the 10 karat gold tiny ring, which is right there. Wait a minute, I'm in mix. I'm sorry, hold on a second. I'm in mixed mode. Okay. Go back to the foil. Okay. All negative numbers, and you can't hear it unless you go real low into it. Now I'm scrubbing it, okay? But once you raise it about 3 inches over it right now, okay, it's all negative. Now, it still does pick up the bulb foil, but it's not very strong though, okay? And the gum wrapper. Now let's go back to the gold. 18 karat gold earring. And I'm like, I can't really, I wish I could get the camera down there, but I can't, doing this on my own. Okay, 18 karat gold earring. $10 karat gold tiny ring. And my neighbor just would happen to be cutting his grass right now. Toe ring. Notice the numbers are 4 or 5. 4 or 5 on that little tiny ring, in case I didn't mention that, and also 4 or 5 on the 18 karat Now the 10 karat gold ring above it, 4-5. The other 10 karat ring right next to it, 4-5. 18 karat gold ring, 4-5. Thin band 10 karat gold ring, 4-5. Okay, and again, you're not picking this foil up unless you get down low like that and you scrub it. Okay, I can get down to an inch and it still isn't going to do anything. It still isn't going to register positive numbers, and it's not going to register in the audio. Okay, so again, all these gold, all 7 of them, same numbers as the foil, same conductivity, and you can still pick them up. So that's how you use the salinity balance on the Tarsacci MDT 8000 to discriminate out your small foil and still get small gold. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you liked the video. And please visit Tarsacci forums at tarsaccisales.com and sign up. And we've got a lot of good stuff and a lot of good people there sharing a lot of good information. Thanks a lot.